my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be part-time in the evenings. They do have multiple shifts available, so this is going to be perfect for those of you who want to just work around a full-time job or other responsibilities that you already have and just make a little bit of extra side money. The company is Drips. We have featured this company on this channel before. They are a newer startup type company. They only have 26 reviews on Glassdoor, but out of the reviews they have a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. As always, I suggest before giving your personal information to any of these companies, come read the reviews and do your own research on the company. This Glassdoor page and the job page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But Drips is hiring a part-time chat room operator. Now, this is going to be a little bit different than managing regular customer service type website chats. They have AI or artificial intelligence programs that handle part of their chats, making your part of the chat very, very easy. It shows kind of an example. It says if a user says can't now work in, this would be categorized and handled by clicking the I'm at work button. So their chat, the AI suggests different things to say, and you can just click on those different things to say to go ahead and give a generalized response. Then you can type your own words to that and add to what the AI is telling it to do. So if the AI says I'm at work, like you can say click the button and it'll go ahead and put the I'm at work in there, and then you can like continue on the conversation, like chat later or something like that. So the AI kind of continues to help you fill in your chat responses to the customers. Now, one thing to quickly note about this, because it is a easier job and AI kind of is helping you, pay is a little bit on the lower side. They are paying $10.10 an hour. They are hiring part-time up to 28 hours a week. But hey, I have been in that position before, so this is why I'm sharing. For some of us, some money is better than no money. If I could work 2 to 3 extra hours a day in the evening while my kids are playing or whatever, and make a little bit of extra money. Some of us have been in that situation where that is the difference between being able to put dinner on the table and not. So I am sharing. If this is a too low pay for you, just skip over this and I will have more job leads coming. Now they are going to offer training. Training is done virtually through Zoom. Audio and video is required for the training. Now, as far as the shifts they're looking for, you must be able to work 6 straight hours a day, at least 3 to 5 days a week. They're looking for people to fill Monday through Sunday, all 7 days. Shifts right now they're offering is either a 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or a 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Of course, you'll have to convert your time zone if you're outside of the Eastern time zone to those hours to see if that'll work with you. But again, you're just going to quickly and accurately in less than 60 seconds respond to those inbound messages via their chat room to leads regarding questions, concerns about products and services utilizing the point and click frequently asked questions canned responses. So those are like those automatic responses that I was talking about that come up on the screen. You're just going to click which response would be the best, and you might need to add to it. Now, as far as what they're looking for, you do have to currently be living in the U.S., authorized to work in the U.S. Someone who has great attention to detail, someone who has great typing skills, comfortable using a computer, and someone who is good with using emojis. They do like to use emojis in their chat. You have to have good grammar and spelling and communication skills. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.